are given the following problem. State the multiplicative inverse of each number. Here I put the definition. A multiplicative inverse is another name for the reciprocal, what you multiply by a number to get 1. Here we have an example. We are giving we are given 8, and then so 8 times its reciprocal, which is 1 over 8. 8 times 1 over 8 is going to give us 8 over 8. 8 divided by 8 is just 1. So in other words, when you multiply a number by its multiplicative inverse, you get 1. So for A, we have negative 5. So negative 5 times what number is going to give us 1? So the reciprocal of negative 5 is negative 1 over 5, because we need to be able to cancel those negatives out as well. So negative 5 times negative 1 over 5 is going to give us negative 5 times negative 1 over 5, which you know these negative signs cancel, so 5 times 1 is just 5 over 5. 5 over 5 is just 1. For B, we have 3 over 2. What's the multiplicative inverse of 3 over 2? Well, it's its reciprocal. Well, what's the reciprocal of a fraction? You switch the numbers. The denominator now becomes numerator. The numerator becomes the denominator. So 3 over 2, now the 2 is going to be on the numerator, and the 3 is going to be on the denominator. So 3 times 2, and then now in the denominator we have 2 times 3, and so 3 times 2 gives us 6, 2 times 3 gives us 6, and that is just 1. And finally we have C. So 2 times what number is going to give us 1? Well, we can't really multiply 2 times 5, 2 times 1. You know, wait a minute, so we're going to have to, if you remember up top, what did we do for 8? Well, 8, we multiply it by its reciprocal. So here, 2 times 1 over 2. That's going to give us 2 over 2 and 1.